Have you ever landed on a website and thought, something doesn't feel right? Well, today we're breaking down 3 big red flags that make a website unsafe. SSL issues, shady redirects, and outdated scripts, with simple examples you'll never forget. In just a few clicks, a bad site can steal your data, infect your device, or hijack your session. But once you know what to look out for, spotting danger becomes second nature. First up, SSL certificates. These encrypt the data between your browser and the site. No SSL means your passwords, card details, or personal info can be intercepted. Safe, the padlock icon and HTTPS in the URL. Unsafe, not secure warnings or plain HTTP. Example, entering your credit card on a site without SSL is like shouting your card number across a crowded room. Second, shady redirects. You click on a blog post, but suddenly you're bounced through 3 random domains before ending up on a gambling site. This often means the original site's been hacked or is deliberately selling your clicks. Example, search for a recipe, click on the link, and boom, you're on a suspicious download page instead. Finally, outdated scripts. Websites run on code like JavaScript, PHP, or CMS plugins. When they aren't updated, hackers can exploit known security holes. Example, a WordPress plugin from 2018 might have a public vulnerability. Cybercriminals can use it to inject malware into every visitor's browser without you clicking a thing. Always check for SSL. Avoid sites that keep bouncing you around, and keep your browser security tools on. Even better, use a reputable antivirus with web protection to block dangerous sites before you land there. The web is an amazing place, but not every site has your best interests at heart. Spot the signs, stay sharp, and keep your data safe. Hit like if you learned something new, follow for more cybersecurity tips, and drop a comment about the sketchiest thing you've ever seen on a website. Stay safe out there.